Okay, in this video we're going to see how we can draw a slab boundary here. So we're going to use the slab to draw a boundary for this property. So here we're going to go to the architectural tab. From there we're going to go to floor again. For architectural we're going to select the same type of floor, the ground bearing one, because it is on the ground floor. This time, instead of using the pick walls, we're going to use the pick lines, and we're going to select the outer lines of the building. There you go. As you can see, we have to trim here again, so we select the trimming option and then delete inner segment, and then we're gonna come right over here, select this little point and then go right over there, select it, and it is gone. So we select our modify again, and now this is the inner boundary, so we have to give the outer boundary. So we're going to choose the pick lines options again, but this time we're going to give it an offset of 2000, and we're going to draw the offsets. Just put your cursor over there. It is going to show you a preview of where the line is going to be if you click. So if you want it inside, you can also see it like that, but if you want on the outside, just move your cursor on the outside portion of that particular line and then do a click, and it has now been drawn there. We're going to draw another one there, another one here, and another one right over there. Okay, so that is done. Now what we can do to make these things join, we can use this trim or extend option. Just select it and then select both of the lines, and they will be joined up right over there. Okay, now that we have joined it, you can see that it is quite a rectangular kind of area. But if you don't want a rectangular kind of area, what you can do is you can select the fillet arc option and then choose both of those and give a radius of your liking. So at first we're just going with a random number. Again, on this side we're giving it another radius, let's say like that. Now we can see that the radius is here for 3000, and if you again select the modify, come over here, you can see the radius is 3400. We can just change it to 3000 and hit enter, so the radius is going to change to 3000. Now that we have our boundary slabs drawn, and we just need to click on the screen tech and it will be drawn right over there. So it is now done. You can see you can even select it even if the select elements by face option is turned off, because you can see the boundary and you can select it by the boundary, not by the face. So don't think that the option is turned on just because of that. And if you go to the 3D view, you can see that the boundary that we have just drawn right over there. Okay, so that is the boundary, and yeah, it is actually different from the slab inside because we didn't draw it all together. So there are two different elements having the same kind of property. Okay, so let's go back to the ground floor plan. Now that we have drawn our floor as well as the boundary line, we can go in now and place our doors and windows into our project model. Okay, so that is it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you got to learn something new.